Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Teen Bakes, where I bake, and today we're going to be making peanut butter chocolate cups. It only requires 3 ingredients, so let's get into it. So for our peanut butter chocolate cups, you're going to need half a cup of peanut butter, preferably smooth peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 180 grams of chocolate. Okay, so get your peanut butter and just add in your powdered sugar, and just using a spoon, just mix this all up until you get a smooth peanut butter consistency. So once your peanut butter is all smooth, then you can just bring over your chocolates and make sure that it is in a microwave safe bowl, because we're going to be microwaving this until it has all melted. So once your chocolate is melted, then you can prepare about 6 muffin cups, and just using a spoon, you're going to spoon your melted chocolate into the base of the muffin cups. When you're done with the bases, then you can use a teaspoon and just spoon your peanut butter on top of the chocolate. And now you can just bring back your chocolate and just add another layer by topping it off. And now that we're done with our cups, we can just put them into the refrigerator for about an hour so that they can set. Okay, so it's been an hour, and now my peanut butter chocolate cups have set. And once they're set, then you can just go ahead and take them out of the tray and of course unwrap them. And there you have it, your peanut butter chocolate cups. And as you guys can see, there is a nice design on the outer sides of these. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Please like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and thanks.